night, white screen glow on the concrete plans. Parametric dreams, bending beams in my hands. Curves in the code, every line like a secret chant. Turning numbers into arches, watch the model start to dance. This, that vibe, coding cathedral, shapes in my head go digital patches. Type and the walls start growing, see the script breathe, city keep flowing. Vibe, coding cathedral, turning steel into skin, so spiritual. I just think it and the mesh keeps folding. AI watching while the story's loading. Drag points, little ghost dots on a skyline tray. Logic on loop, every loop leaves a graceful lace. Talk to the script, it replies with a twist and stare. What was flat on the page, now a whole new world in the air. This, that vibe, coding cathedral, shapes in my head go digital. I just type and the walls start growing, see the script breathe, see keep flowing. Vibe, coding cathedral, turning steel into skin, into spiritual. I just think it and the mesh keeps folding. Hey, I watch it while the story's loading. Has the machine, what if we bend it further?